What exactly is affiliate marketing? This is a question asked very regularly, and the answer is actually quite simple. Affiliate marketing is a method of earning a commission by recommending products or services to your friends or readers. To make things easier, here's a 5-step process for getting started with affiliate marketing. You come across a product that you want to promote. Look up product name, affiliate program. You can also promote it if it's available on Amazon. Register for their affiliate program. You will be given a unique link that will allow the merchant to track who clicked on your link. You will be paid a commission if they purchase the product. Isn't it pretty straightforward? It can get much more complicated, but in this post, we'll just cover the basics and get you to the point where you're ready to make your first commission. What is the process of affiliate marketing? There are numerous methods for tracking affiliates these days, but they all rely on someone clicking your unique tracking link. A cookie is the most common and basic type of tracking. When a user clicks on an affiliate link, a small file known as a cookie is stored on the user's computer. When they purchase a product, the merchant will be able to see that they were referred by you. There are more advanced methods based on the email address or IP address, but we won't go into those here. Instead, we'll stick to the basics. So how do you get started as an affiliate marketer? Here's the thing, you can choose almost any product available for purchase online, and there will be an affiliate program that will pay you a finder's fee for referring a sale. However, just because you have the ability to promote anything does not mean you should. When choosing a product to market, the most important factor to consider is it relevant to your audience? For example, advertising dumbbells on your blog about sports cars is probably not the best idea because 90% of my audience couldn't care less about them. However, promoting, say, the Grand Tour, a TV show about cars, makes a lot more sense, because almost every one of my readers would like some part of that show. Before promoting an affiliate product, here are some questions to ask yourself. Do I make use of this product? Will this product benefit the vast majority of my audience? Is the purchasing process simple? Is the affiliate commission rate reasonable? If you answer yes to all of these questions, it's probably a good fit and worth promoting. You should now have a good understanding of what affiliate marketing is, as well as an idea of what products you want to promote and how to obtain affiliate links for them. But does it really matter if you don't know how to properly promote them? Nope. Let's look at some of the simplest and most effective ways to promote an affiliate offer. 1. Using a resource page for affiliate marketing. Create a resource page. This is probably the simplest thing you can do right now to generate a few sales in the coming weeks. There are tools, products, and services that you use to run your blog or business, regardless of what it is. By compiling a list of all of your tools and resources, you're creating something both shareable and useful. For example, 15+ tools to improve your daily habits. You take the same concept, write a well-designed email, and then distribute it to people who signs up for your waiting list to whatever it is you're promoting. This way you increase affiliate sales and grow your email list. 2. Affiliate marketing with product reviews. Product reviews are a great way to generate sales if you've built up a lot of trust with your audience, and it works for all 3 types of products. Honesty is the key to a successful product review. I generally only review things I like, but if there are any flaws or minor issues that bother you, be honest about them. Because most people understand that no product is perfect, if you set expectations and are honest with them, there's a good chance they'll buy it anyway. In any product review, make sure you include the following items. A clear headline featuring your desired keyword, in most cases the product name. Clear links for where to buy at both the top and bottom of the page. A clear recommendation. A personal story about how you use the product or why you recommend it. 3. Tutorials for affiliate marketing. Tutorials are without a doubt one of the most effective strategies for increasing affiliate sales. They can be time-consuming to put together, but they are well worth the effort. So, what exactly is a tutorial? Simply put, you write a post or make a video that shows people how to do something step by step, and then you include a product or service as one of the key components to success. 4. Affiliate marketing with comparison posts. These can be a very effective strategy for increasing affiliate sales. It works well when there are two products that are very similar and people are considering one of them. A good example would be to compare the PlayStation 4 and the Xbox One. If people are looking for a new game console, it will most likely be one of the two. That being said, I don't recommend you choose these because, due to the abundance of information about both, it would be difficult to rank well in search engines for any terms related to them. It helps a lot if you have actual experience with both products you're comparing, and that way you can give an honest review of both and let the audience choose. Finally, here's one final tip to increase your affiliate sales. Use a bit.ly or pretty link to get your affiliate link a bit more appealing for when your audience is looking to use the link. Hope you got some value out of this video, and if you want to support us, please subscribe and hit the like button. This was The Wealth Machine, over and out.